Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're just going to be having a look at how to create a Lego effect with any photo or picture that you have. So this is great if you want to create a Lego effect with your own profile picture and post it to Facebook. We're going to be looking at how to do that. Here's a preview, so let's get started. First of all, pick a photo with not too many details going on in the background. Then right click on your background layer and select duplicate layer. Then you can name your new background bricks. On your layer, select convert to smart object. On your new layer, now come up to filter, pixelate and select mosaic from the options. Make sure that you select the cell size square and just change it till you get a pixelated look like the one I'm showing. Remember the number that the size of the square is, as you'll need that for later. Next, choose new file and change the width and the height of the document to the same number as what you selected in your mosaic square. And then choose partially grey, 50% grey roughly. Then draw a circle inside your square and position it right in the centre. With your layer selected, choose FX and pick blending options. In your layer style selection, choose bevel and emboss and then choose hard chisel. And depending on how big your square is, you might need to adjust the size. Next option that we'll look at is the drop shadow. So in here you want to change the color palette blend mode to black and then change it to multiply. So that way we get a nice effect looking like we've got a shadow beneath our button. And then you might need to change the distance, the spread or the size just to give you a better effect, so just change that according to what your design looks like. Then you want to right click on your background layer and select layer from background. Then you want to go into your layer style again on the background and this time choose bevel and emboss again and then chisel hard. And then what you want to do is change your sizes and your depth to make it look like really like a bar of chocolate would, like a small square on a bar of chocolate. Then choose one of the options from the section called darken. That should hopefully give you a button effect looking like mine. Then come up to your edit menu and define pattern, choose that. Then you can name your pattern something simple like brick. Now come back to your pixelated image, the original one that you made with the mosaic feature. Then come down to your layer panel, choose adjustments and select pattern. Click the drop down to change the pattern, and your pattern that you just done on the previous screen should still be there, so choose that. You should now see your pattern all over the screen, and to make it appear onto the image, just change your layer style and change it to overlay. So there you have it, one Lego person, all Legoed up to the max. So you can do it too, and hope you like this tutorial. Thanks very much for watching, please subscribe to the channel and see you next time. Bye bye.